To demonstrate a basic cognitive radio system, we deploy USRP N210 SDR platform, one as a cognitive transmitter and other as a standalone wideband spectrum sensor. The latter is to provide the transmitter with candidate frequencies with high chance of availability and thus assisting the interleaved cognitive access of transmitter. On the other side is the cognitive receiver, also realized on USRP N210 SDR platform. Programmability of these SDR platforms are hosted in host computers running GNU radio libraries. What follows is a functional demonstration based on this cognitive radio system. To start with is the standalone wideband sensing unit, which creates a real-time spectrum availability record which renders assistance to cognitive transmission unit. As shown, this unit performs a fast and compressive wideband spectrum sensing to create availability database as here. This can be more intuitively visualized graphically. Here, the wideband frequencies is divided into 200 kHz channel. The green depicts channels with power below a certain threshold and thus the possible spectrum opportunity. Now we will go ahead and set up a TCP/IP dynamic frequency link between cognitive transmitter and receiver. The MAC framework at transmitter here is interleave sensing and transmission, with assistance on possible opportunities from record generated in previous section. As visible, red dot marks are the instances of frequency changes. With the link established, if we use the simple ping process from transmitter to receiver, we can see the dynamic frequency nature of this TCP/IP link. Graphically, this change of frequency based on availability is shown here on TX size. Also, important to note is the height of usage bar. This represents dynamic power allocation implemented. Such a power adaptation effectively mitigates interference to primary while sustaining secondary access. Lastly, we demonstrate audio streaming over this frequency and power adaptive TCP/IP link. It confirms the flexibility yet stability of this basic cognitive radio prototype.